How to fix no internet connection on YouTube app. So firstly, make sure that you have a good internet connection. Go to your Wi-Fi and check your network. If your current network is lagging, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Also, try turning on and off your airplane mode. By doing this, Wi-Fi will get refreshed. Another thing that you can do is to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now sometimes these kind of minor issues can get fixed with a simple restart, so give your device a quick restart. Navigate to the YouTube app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner and go to the storage option. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. After doing this, go back to your home page and open Play Store. Look for the YouTube app and look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, then update your YouTube app. If not, then go back to your home page. Also, make sure to check all the background apps. If there are a lot of tabs opening in the background, close them all. Open settings on your device and search for VPN. Make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN. If it's connected, then disconnect it. That's all for today. Thank you.